How to set gender in Palmon Survival. So if you want to set your gender to female in Palmon Survival, you do get this choice early on in the game, but there's also the option to just not do anything. But if you want to change that now, all you'll have to do in your case is just go into your profile. So to do that, just go to the top right or top left, corner of your screen, which is basically your Explorer info. So you could personalize as well if you want new models, but if you want to change your gender tag, just go ahead right beside your name. In our case, our name is Sabati. There's a icon there with a pencil and a square. Press in that and you'll be able to see the gender selection. So if you want to turn yourself into a gender of a female, just go ahead and press on the left one, the pink one. That is the female symbol. So just go ahead and press on confirm, and as you can see, we have now changed our gender or set our gender to female in Palmon Survival. You can change this to anything you want as well in any time. Oh, there is a delay. So if you want to change again, you're gonna have to wait for a delay. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.